Welcome to Bicom Chats. I am joined by Nukic, our deployment and training engineer. Bernis, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Let's start with the first question. AI is everywhere right now, but there is a lot of noise. How does Bicom think about AI in PBXware, and what is the philosophy behind how these features are built?
So our philosophy is that we want to solve real problems that customers are having right now. So the system, it's not made as a demo system, like it's not bolted onto PBXware. It's made, it's fully integrated. So it's integrated into queues, reporting. Companies can start using it right now. So yeah, about the noise, there's a lot of noise on LinkedIn currently where companies are announcing different AI products. But those products are mostly built for a demo purpose. Like they're not integrated if you dig into it. But our products are ready to be used today. So yeah, hopefully our partners can get to start using them.
How do AI agents in PBXware augment human teams rather than replace them? What does that look like in a real contact center? And how should partners frame that story for customers who are nervous about AI implementation?
Right, so naturally human agents are worried that AI agents might replace them. But that's not the case. So the AI agents are there to make the human agents work easier. So the AI agent is going to handle the work that the human agent was going to do anyway, but they don't want to do that. So simple questions like, what are your working hours? Or for example, your company is in off hours, so let's say it's midnight, somebody calls in, there's nobody to pick up the call. The AI agents can step in and they can handle those simple calls. Of course, everything that has to do with money, sentiment, and so on, the human agents should step in. So if somebody's asking for a refund, they want to cancel, or stuff like that. So human agents will step in and handle that case by case. We don't want to leave that to AI agents. So AI agents, yeah, they're there just to help the human agents do their work.
Live transcription is one of those features that sound technical but has real business impact. Can you walk us through what it actually makes possible for agents during a call, for managers reviewing quality, and for the business overall?
Yeah, so live transcription, it's an interesting feature that we added. So we have a way so when somebody calls in and talks to our agent, we have a way to separate who the caller is and who the callee is. So the system will transcribe both the caller and callee in real time. And then we can feed that transcription into a third-party system, let's say a knowledge base. So when a customer says something like a product name or a specific issue, the other system that we integrated with can find those trigger words and then provide the agent with the necessary knowledge base article to provide assistance to the callee. So that's on the agent side. We can also use it for the managers, for the supervisor side. So they can get a transcript or a live transcript, and then they can see like, okay, this customer is happy, this customer is unhappy. Then maybe they can escalate that to somebody else. They can take the call from that agent and automatically transfer it to a different agent who is better equipped to solve these issues. So yeah.
Accuracy is always the first question, especially with accents or industry-specific language. How does PBXware handle that, and what should partners tell customers who are skeptical?
Right. Everybody's worried that if they have transcriptions that maybe something's not going to be transcribed correctly. So we have this open architecture in PBXware. We allow the admins who are managing PBXware to choose different providers for transcription. So maybe one provider is good at English, another is good at Spanish, another is good at French. So you can pick and choose which providers you want to use. Also, we have tested it with here locally with our Bosnian accents. It was working pretty well. So I'm confident that our partners will not have any issues.
Tell us more about Event Publisher. Why does it matter that PBXware can now act as an automation hub connecting to CRMs, ticketing tools, and other systems?
Okay, so Event Publisher So it's used to send out events to a third-party service like a CRM. So let's say you're getting a phone call, your agent is getting a call. That's one event. We send that event to a CRM. Then the agent picks up the call. That's another event. Then the agent ends the call. That's a third event. So we can track those, and then we can automate what happens on the CRM side. So let's say somebody calls and the agent doesn't pick up the call. So we have an event that there was a call, nobody picked it up. We can then log that into our CRM system. We can then make like an issue ticket, and then we can track that as a missed call. So somebody can then call that person later or send them an SMS saying, hey, we saw that a call was missed, and then we will contact you as soon as possible. So also, for example, it can be used when a call ends, the CRM can just pull in additional data from PBX, where it can pull in the transcription, the sentiment. It can say, okay, this call was successful, the issue was solved, or the customer was unhappy, then we should escalate it with a ticket and contact the customer back. So it's very useful to export data and track it in a third-party system.
A lot of partners' customers already have tools they love: CRMs, help desks, ERP systems. Can all of these AI and automation features be rolled out gradually, or does a customer have to commit to everything at once?
Well, it's best to do it gradually. So customers can start with, let's say, Event Publisher. It's the easiest one, the lowest risk one to integrate. So they can use that to track data, what happens in PBXware. And then if they, surely they will find that useful, let's say in a week or two of testing, and then they can gradually add in live transcription, they can track that data. And then if they're happy how that works, when they set it up correctly, they can add in AI agents. So all of those systems, they're designed to complement each other. AI agents, so you can track live transcriptions and store them in some kind of a central database, and then feed that context back into the AI agent, so the agent knows what all the common issues are and how to help the customer. So with a gradual rollout, you can achieve a pretty good system.
Okay, let's wrap up with our last question. What is the most common mistake you see customers make when they start adopting AI in their contact center, and what should partners do to set their customers up for success from day one?
So from day one, I would say keep track of what the AI is doing. So AI is not a set up and forget system. Like, it needs constant updates. It needs new information. The backend changes all the time. There's new AI providers every few months. So I suggest setting up like a separate project department, or just assigning somebody to manage the entire AI system, and that they can check in like every 30 days. Okay, this is a new thing, we should add that, we should update that, we should update the agents. So just keep track of the system, and everything is going to work out well for you.
Great advice. Thank you, Bernis, for being a guest on Bicom Chats today.
Thank you as well. I was happy to be here.